Good day, guys, and welcome to your most preferred YouTube channel, the platform where we share information about what's going on in the Nigerian political system and the entertainment industry. I am Grace. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing fine. As for us over here, we are absolutely fine. Okay, I'm going to bring to you guys quickly on our update today concerning the Supreme Court, which they have actually affirmed, the Supreme Court has actually affirmed Bola Ahmed Tinubu as a valid president of Nigeria. Okay, recall earlier that the Supreme Court today actually refused Atiku's application to add fresh evidence. Says the Supreme Court actually told Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party that the 180 days allowed for fresh evidence is immutable, and he said that the appellant failed to file fresh evidence documents they later claimed they had within the 180 days provided by law for the hearing at the lower court. So Atiku is seeking to nullify the president. He was seeking to nullify the president Bola Tinubu's election at the Supreme Court, where the matter was supposed to be decided today, which has been decided. So, however, on the application to add fresh evidence, the court ruled that the application is hereby refused and therefore dismissed, saying that it described the 180 days as immutable, saying the appellant, that article, did not even apply for an extension of time to add the deposition. So they also stated that even if they did, it would not have been granted as the matter was already grounded in law. So the apex court said it was designed to speed up the hearing of the petitions, and the court said there cannot be an addendum. Okay, so it also noted that in their petition there is no paragraph to accommodate the case of forgery, and adding that the appellant failed to say why they waited until the 180 days elapsed. Okay, so we knew this was going to happen. Everything was going to be acted based on the script, and of course the independent is now paying allegiance to the executive. The judiciary, who should be independent, is now paying allegiance to the executive. So that's how corrupt Nigeria is. But the good thing is that the world knows that Tinubu is a career criminal, so it's not just about Nigeria. And they've actually affirmed him as a president. The Supreme Court also said that the IRF portal is not a collation system, and that the petition didn't prove substantially that the election was not conducted in accordance with the Electoral Act. So that IRF will only be resorted to if the physical result is not available, that the unavailability of the IREF will not be a ground to prove that the election was not conducted in accordance to the law. Okay, guys, that's it. Let's just say they actually judged this case based on technicalities, and it was today's judgment was technicality at its highest peak, and we should lead to the judgment that we should lead to the total destruction of this country. And that's the truth about it, guys. So it's obvious that there is no more democracy. It's now dictatorship in this country. This country is totally gone, guys. It's totally gone. Well, some will be applauding or celebrating the victory of Bola Ahmed Tinubu as elected as the valid president of Nigeria. Well, a lot of Nigerians will be mourning and crying that Nigeria is gone. Well, finally, he was declared the president. The Supreme Court has upheld the ruling of the presidential election petition, affirming the election of President Bola Tinubu as the valid president. So they dismiss the argument of Atiku Abubakar, and that Tinubu's victory should be nullified because he did not score 25% of the votes cast in Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory. So the Supreme Court has actually said that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is the valid president of Nigeria. Guys, that is the updates. That's the conclusion of the judgment of today. The court has ruled in favor of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that he is a valid president of Nigeria. Kudos. Well done, the judiciary. Well done to them for judging based on technicalities and not based on fresh evidence presented to them, and for also dismissing Atiku's fresh evidence. Well done to them. The Supreme Court sees forgery as the Supreme Court sees forgery as no big deal by discarding evidence on grounds of technicalities. Well, it's not surprising, guys, because it was expected as they acted very well. They acted very well. Okay, let's just see the video of how they actually affirmed Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the valid president of Nigeria. Okay, guys, we'll be right back. Stay tuned.
On the main appeal, my learned brother resolved all the issues, the 7 issues against the appellant. I therefore agree with him that the issues in the main appeal are devoid of merit, and the appeal is accordingly dismissed. And I also did not make any order as to cause, but affirm the judgment of the lower court, declaring the second respondent, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as the duly elected President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in the election of the 25th of February 2023.
You're welcome back, guys. So that was the affirming of the valid president to as the valid president of Nigeria. Okay, what can I say? We all expected it to happen because it was already planned. It was orchestrated even before now. They had already gone into a secret meeting, had a secret meeting to play this out today, which has finally played out. No conscience, no sense of their sense of judgment is gone. Is no, don't carry your case to the judiciary. They will rub you in the mud. Don't just carry your case to the judiciary because forget it, guys. It's gone. It's gone. Should I say God bless Nigeria? Should I say Nigeria will be better again? You know, I used to say that, but I don't know what to say this time around because I don't know what this country is becoming. I don't know what the country is going to become in the next few years that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is going to be the president of Nigeria. I do not know. But I know that this is not going to go down with a lot of people, a lot of Nigerians, both here and in the diaspora, because it's going to be a lot of protests. There is going to be a lot of protests against the judgment decision of the judges for electing President Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the valid president of Nigeria. There is going to be a lot of protests. Let's just hope that there's no chaos and pandemonium and jeopardy in this country because it's going to be hot. Look at the hardship we're already experiencing. We are crying, and now the cause of the hardship is even now verified. Just like they verify someone on Twitter is now verified to be the president. So get ready, guys. I don't know what's going to happen to Nigeria. And let's just hope that we'll be able to survive and be able to thrive no matter how things goes or things, but if the voice of the nation can stand, one voice, I'm sure things will get back to place. I mean, it's really bad. It's really bad for us. It's really, really bad. Tinubu is now a president, so he is. And he has succeeded to silence everybody, silence the constitution, silence the judiciary, silence the apex, silence the political leaders, the judges, the judiciary, everyone. He has silenced them, and now I'm sure he's clapping his hands, affirming his victory. Wow, this is ridiculous, guys. This is ridiculous, but it is well. God will help us in this country. Definitely. Let's just keep praying. Oh, I'll still say God bless Nigeria, guys. Thank you for watching. That's the update on today's judgment on the Supreme Court concerning Bola Ahmed Tinubu against Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar, and finally affirming the valid president of Nigeria. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you're just watching this video for the first time, please do well to subscribe and click on the notification bell in case we have new videos, you'll be notified. And to our returning subscribers, you're always welcome any day, anytime. Feel free to like, share, and comment down below what you think about our newly valid president of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and bye for now.